What is up, guys? Welcome back to another podcast. So today I have a very special guest. Thank you all for tuning in again. So before we get right into it, let's cue the intro. All right, welcome back, guys. So today's guest is very special. If you've watched my videos, you definitely know who he is. And everyone, give their hands up for Jason the Great.
All right. Thank you so much. I appreciate you having me here, son.
Anytime. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, so me and him have been recording buddies, partners, whatever, for like a little bit over, 2 years now?
2 years? I guess, yeah.
2 years in February, actually, coming up.
Yeah.
That's, that's long. So, all right, Jason, so we're going to get right into it. When did you really, start getting into magic and stuff that you do now? What was your motivation?
Well, I've always been doing magic for a long time, since I was 10 years old.
Mm-hmm.
And here recently, I've been getting into the video aspect of it because not doing any shows right now because of the pandemic going on. So, been hustling.
Yeah.
Pretty hard, I guess.
Hustling.
Busting out videos as much as possible to keep my mind going and to help me with my creativity.
There you go.
Yeah. Being 45 years old, like I said, I was 10 years old, so I've been doing magic now for about 35 years.
What started you to get into magic?
I was down in Gatlinburg, Tennessee.
Mm-hmm.
I got pulled up on stage by a magician. He pulled quarters out of my ears. All right?
Yeah.
So after his show, they had a magic shop there. It was called Silver Dollar City down in Gatlinburg, which is now called Dollywood. Plug to them. Yeah. So I bought my first trick down there called Nickels to Dimes. It cost about $12, and I still have that trick today. I did my first birthday party at the age of 13, and I got paid $20 to walk across the street with my magic equipment and put on a show for an 8-year-old.
Dang,
So, yeah,
$20?
$20. Now I charge just a little bit more, and I don't do birthday parties.
$30 now?
Yeah, 35. It all depends on how far I got to drive.
Yeah.
But
So-
then I'm sorry. But
Okay.
then about 22 years old, I guess, I start doing a lot of restaurant magic. Before I was married, I was performing at 3 restaurants a week. And it was really fun. And I really learned, it was a lot of practice. I really learned to be able to hone on in some tricks. And, I'd do about 10 tricks at night, and I'd do them tricks probably 20 times a piece that night. So that really built up my chops, and it also helped me in my marketing aspect of it to where people knew my name around the Cincinnati area.
Yeah, so how old do you think you were when you first started, your big magic shows? Not
My
the birthday
big
parties,
shows,
weddings, all that.
Well, I bought a big trick. I was 22 years old,
Mm-hmm.
and I could either take a vacation at work or they could go ahead and give me the money. So I went ahead and stayed working and took that money
Mm-hmm.
instead of taking a vacation.
Yeah.
And I bought my first illusion for $400 where I could make somebody float.
What
And then,
what illusion is that? What's that called?
The chair illusion, where I make somebody float on the edge of the chair.
Oh, yeah, that was your first one?
Yeah, and I
Dang.
still have it.
Yeah, I know.
I still use it.
We used it a couple weeks ago.
Yeah, and it holds me too. It makes me float.
Yeah.
But yeah, and I have a whole room full of stuff that I have kept. I don't really collect. You have a lot of people out there that collect old magic memorabilia and stuff like that.
Yeah, all
I
that.
don't collect any of that. It's all just stuff that I bought from the magic shops or lectures or conventions that I've went to. So I got a lot of stuff in there.
So souvenirs, basically. You have a lot of,
I
souvenirs.
guess, yeah. But me being when I was performing for restaurants all the time, I had a lot of people that would come in and want to see a trick. I would have the same people come in every week. So I had to buy or either come up with some new tricks for them every single week, which again, kept my mind creative, like it is right now,
Yeah.
doing all these videos. So it wasn't just like I was buying tricks and then putting them in a drawer. I was actually using everything that I would buy.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I got tons of books.
He
Whole library.
does.
Yeah.
He's got 3 shelves of books, VHS tapes.
Yeah, VHS, baby.
If anyone even knows what those are.
Yeah, and DVDs.
Yeah, DVDs.
Yeah. So I have a lot of money invested in it. Have I made back my money yet? I don't think so. Maybe in about another 10 years I might. But it's fun. I look at it as also a hobby. I don't make a living doing this. It's just something fun I really enjoy doing. Some people like to go out and golf. Some people like to go out and fish. I like to go out and do magic shows and make people laugh.
So that's your hobby?
Kind of, yeah. And then I get paid too on top of it.
Well, you can get paid for fishing and golfing. So.
True, yeah, if you're good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, let's see here. What is your most viral video on your page? I know on our page, my page, it was the head twister where we spun my head around over 50 million views. So what was not your first, what was your most viral video?
My most viral one is when I stick my hand in this pipe and I catch this little creature with my hand.
Oh, yeah. Is that, do you remember your first viral video?
What's viral? Over 1 million to you?
Yeah.
Okay. My first one, man, I don't even know. But I posted that one, and then I did a magic trick, the very next one, that also went viral. That got 20 million views. I'm like, oh man, this is easy. Then after that, it's just all downhill.
Psych.
No, we got you, and now you're addicted.
Yeah. So the pipe one, I guess.
Yeah, the pipe one where I catch a little thing, and I've done that little thing a few times.
Yeah.
And it seems to do pretty good. It's more of a prank to the person watching because it catches their attention. They're like, "What is this guy doing? Sticking his hand in a hole?" And then I pull out. It's actually just a little puppet that I have, and then I make my own little noise. You want to hear my noise?
Yeah, go ahead. Let's hear it.
That's it. That's my noise. Got millions of views, probably because of that noise. My face wasn't in it. I know it wasn't because of my face, because it wasn't in there.
True that.
I got $1 million viewed hands. All right. Yeah.
So, where do you get your ideas? Where did you get that idea for that video? What came to your mind?
It just came to me one day. I was working. I had that little puppet thing in my van. Mm-hmm. I'm like, well, I'm just going to try that. So I did it, and then I start playing around with different sounds. I wanted to add a funny sound to it. You know, it almost sounds like a dog squeaking toy or something like that. But I added that to it, and it just, I don't know. It's sometimes the stupidest stuff works.
Yeah,
there's stuff that I do on TikTok that I've been working for years doing magic with, and it just doesn't do good at all. And I'm like, really?
Yeah.
So
okay.
Yeah.
Let's see.
I'm sorry,
here.
I'm boring you there.
No, you're good.
Big old yawn.
Sorry. There's TikTok, Snapchat, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all that.
Right.
If you had to pick just one and you could only post on one platform, which one would you pick?
Well, that's hard to explain. Are you talking about for the easiest to post, or for?
I'm just talking if you had to pick your favorite, what would?
And not use any other ones.
Correct.
Oh man, I don't know. You see, TikTok, everything's got to be a minute. YouTube can be as long as you want.
True.
But YouTube takes a long time. It takes a long time to edit them videos, especially with my page, where I'm actually showing you the video and stuff like that on the magic trick. It takes me a long time. So even though it's a 3-minute trick, it still takes 10 minutes by the time I explain it. And then to edit it and everything, it takes a few hours. Instagram, I usually post the same stuff that I'm doing on TikTok. Or on Facebook, on Instagram.
Yeah.
But I really don't know. Is it the money aspect of it? Are you doing it for the money? Are you doing it just to have fun? A little bit of both. I'll be honest with you. It's not bad making a little bit of money, and I really enjoy making these videos for people. Hopefully, I make them laugh. Give them a little bit of amazement, and but I guess, wow, I don't know. Man, that's a toss-up. It'd be a toss-up between TikTok and YouTube for sure.
Yeah, that's probably what I would be.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
what or like the top 3 of your favorite places that you've traveled. It could be in the United States. It could be a country, a city, a park, an amusement park.
Yeah. I really liked, we went on a Disney cruise. I really liked doing that.
Yeah.
When we went to the Bahamas.
That was nice.
That was nice.
Yeah.
And we have took a few trips out of town to, I say out of town, but out of the state. Or out of the country. Thanks a lot.
Today.
Out of the country we went to Mexico a few times to some of them all-inclusives, and they were just beautiful. I really like them places.
Yeah, all-inclusive is where you can eat all you want, drink all you want. Crazy.
Yeah, all kinds of stuff to do, and it's like you're in a palace. It's beautiful there.
Yeah, they treat you like you're a king and queen.
Yeah. Is that where you liked it? Did you like it there?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. Okay. And let's see. Then one more place.
Mm-hmm.
I liked when we went out to California. That was nice. When we went to
last year.
Yeah.
2 years ago.
Yeah. Anaheim.
VidCon. Yeah.
That was nice. And then we went to San Diego too.
Yeah.
One time. Remember
zoo.
that?
We went to the zoo there.
But I just like the air out there. You know.
And it's warm every day there. We're in Kentucky, and you look out our window right now, and it's
snow. Yeah.
Everywhere. You go dive in it.
Yeah.
It's pretty bad.
Yeah.
So, let's see here. Got that done. Got that done. Okay, last question for you, then I will let you go. Do you have any advice for people starting social media today? What advice would you give a 12 or 14-year-old who wanted to start social media right now? What would you tell them? Go ahead.
Well, I would tell you to be yourself and just have fun.
Mm-hmm.
Just be yourself and do what you like to do and have fun.
Yeah, there you go. Well, guys, the secret word in this podcast is to comment down below for me to follow you back is Apple Banana. Thank you so much, Jasonthegreat 777 for coming here. I will link all of his social medias down below in the podcast description, whatever. So, thank you for coming.
Hey, thanks a lot, son. I really appreciate it, and maybe have him back sometime.
Yeah,
thanks for your time.
Yeah.
All right, love you.
Love you. All right, guys, so before I wrap it up, today's last thing I'm going to talk about is the stock market, what has happened to the stock market, and what has gone crazy. So if you don't know, stocks are basically part of the company. You pay so much money, you own this portion of the company. You can buy bonds, you can buy stocks and all that stuff. So basically, GameStop and AMC movies were down, and these rich people will pay people once they're down. They'll do bets because they know what's going to go down. So basically, how do I say this is the rich keep getting richer and the poor keeps getting poorer. Then a lot of the poor people decided they wanted to get the rich people back. Then they all bought so many stocks in GameStop and AMC movies. I think there was one more. I don't know what it is on top of my head. But AMC movies and GameStop, and they made them skyrocket like over 400% overnight. I had $20 at AMC, and the other day it was worth like $60 total. So imagine if I put $200 in, it would have been $600. But anyways, that's what they're doing. And then Robinhood is a good investment app that I use. So I'm looking right here on my computer. This just in Robinhood and others block trades such as in the AMC stock and the GameStop stock and Wells Fargo. So they have many of complaints out there right now. They are trying to sue the people. They're trying to sue the companies because I don't really think it's legal to just take a brand off the stock, because I checked the other day and GameStop was in top 100 of like all the stock markets. So like I'm very confused on why they just take it down. But people just did it as a joke, and now it has become serious. Got $3,000. Here are 3 stocks to buy and hold long term. I see that stuff everywhere. So stocks change every single day. And it says the top 3 stocks that you should buy right now is Garmin, so toilet paper company, Next Extra Energy, and Walt Disney. Walt Disney is a very good company because they're down right now. As soon as COVID comes over, they are going to spike up again. All right, there's that. That's all I know about stocks. Well, thank you guys for coming to the podcast. Thank you so much, Jason, for stopping by.
Hey, thanks for having me, Blake.
If you have any questions, please comment your questions down below so we can ask in the future podcast. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe for good luck. I love you all. I will see you next time. Peace out.